How to sign in to your Binance account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily sign in to your Binance account. So first thing, when you open your Binance application, it's available for free on Play Store. So once you open it, just tap on this sign up button since you are creating your account, and this login button is for existing accounts. So just tap on sign up button over here and it would give you option whether to choose your email, continue with your email or phone number, or you can also log in or sign in with your Google account. So let me just tap in this button over here where I will just enter my phone number over here just like this. So once I do that, I'll just click on next. 6-digit verification code into my messages. So I'll just have to just copy it just like this and paste it over here and just click on next, and then it will ask me to create a password. By following the on-screen instruction, you can also create your password just like this. So once you make sure you create your password, just click on OK by following the on-screen instruction, and just like that you have successfully created your Binance account. So you may need to verify your account as well. So for that you may need to provide your passport, which is a recommended, or your ID card or driver license as well. So once you do all of that, you can also use your photos or take pictures or upload your photos for document verification. So once you follow all the on-screen instruction, you will have successfully verified your account as well. So that is exactly how you can easily create and sign in to your Binance account. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.